Hello everyone. Today I bring one of the best teaching of the Buddha. So Attahi Atanonato Kohi Nato Parosiya Atta Nahi Sudantena Natang Lapati Dulapa Attahi Atanonato. So we are the protector of our self. So for example, when you study hard, you will get the best goal. Like you become a doctor, you become a footballer, best player, and yeah, so many things. So this is the example that we work hard by ourselves, we get the best thing by ourselves. No one can no one give us that best goal. So atahi atano na tho kohi na tho parosiya. Other people who can protect us or who can help us accept us. So they are cannot to give us the best goal, like to become a engineer, to become a pilot. So no other can give us. So when we try, when we do hard, we will get that goal. So this is Kohit Nato Parosiya. Atanahi Sudantena. When we train well, when we yes, we train our to become, and when we work hard, we do hard. So Nathan Lapati Dulapa, we will get the difficult thing that other people cannot to achieve, or we can we can get the best thing that other people hard to get. So this is the way of the Buddha teaching. So Atahi Atanonato Kohi Nato Parosiya Atanahi Sudantena Natang Lapati Dulapang. Thank you everyone.